One of the most powerful disease-fighting compounds ever discovered doesn't come from a rare plant in the rainforest or a cutting-edge laboratory. It comes from a humble green vegetable that's probably in your fridge right now. Broccoli might look simple, but inside each crunchy floret is a potent arsenal that can trigger your body's detox systems, shield your brain, and even target harmful bacteria. No prescription required. Remarkably, many of these effects stem from a single molecule your body produces the moment you chew it. Let's explore this compound and the others found in broccoli that make it an outstanding way to upgrade your diet and protect your long-term health. Broccoli, Brassica oleracea italica, a member of the cruciferous vegetable family alongside kale, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts, is the result of centuries of selective breeding of wild cabbage plants, likely beginning during the Etruscan era before Roman rule. It traces its roots back over 2,000 years to the Mediterranean, where it was cultivated by the Romans and prized for both its taste and its ability to fortify the stomach in ancient writings. In Renaissance Italy, broccoli was celebrated in regional feasts as a symbol of prosperity and health. By the 16th century, it had traveled across Europe, finding its way into royal gardens in France and England, where it was sometimes called the Italian asparagus. Italian immigrants popularized it in America in the early 1900s, but it wasn't until the health food movements of the late 20th century that broccoli earned its modern reputation as a nutritional powerhouse. Today, science is confirming what ancient farmers understood, that broccoli's role extends beyond the kitchen. Broccoli's remarkable effects come from a unique blend of bioactives, compounds that work together to protect your cells, regulate key biological processes, and promote overall health. These key compounds in broccoli include sulforaphane. Formed when chopping or chewing, this is the superstar chemical in broccoli that activates the NRF2 pathway, switching on detox enzymes, reducing inflammation, and protecting cells from oxidative stress. Indole 3-carbinol, I3C, supports healthy hormone metabolism and is under investigation for cancer preventive effects. Lutein and zeaxanthin concentrate in the retina to protect vision from oxidative damage and age-related macular degeneration. Camphorol, anti-inflammatory and cardioprotective flavonoid with neuroprotective potential. Let's see how these compounds work inside your body to deliver some of broccoli's most impressive health benefits. 1. Cancer prevention and cellular protection. Sulforaphane is one of the most studied natural compounds for cancer prevention. It activates the NRF2 pathway, switching on your body's phase 2 detoxification enzymes, specialized proteins that act like an internal cleanup crew, converting harmful toxins and carcinogens into safer forms your body can easily eliminate. Laboratory and human studies suggest sulforaphane can inhibit tumor growth and promote cancer cell death, especially in breast, prostate, and colon tissues. 2. Detoxification support. In human trials, broccoli sprout extracts have increased phase 2 detox enzymes in the liver and lungs, enhancing the elimination of pollutants and toxins from the body. In one clinical study, participants exposed to high air pollution excreted significantly more airborne toxins after consuming a broccoli sprout beverage daily. These findings suggest that regularly including broccoli, or its sprouts, in your diet may help your body better cope with the toxins we encounter every day. 3. Gut health and antimicrobial effects. Broccoli's sulforaphane has been shown to reduce the density of Helicobacter pylori, a bacterium linked to stomach ulcers and gastric cancer. Human trials using broccoli sprouts have demonstrated measurable reductions in H. pylori colonization and associated inflammation. This means broccoli could play a supportive role in maintaining a healthier stomach environment and reducing the long-term risks associated with chronic infection. 4. Cardiometabolic health. Broccoli has been shown in human studies to lower LDL cholesterol and improve endothelial function. Other research suggests broccoli sprout powder can improve insulin sensitivity in people with type 2 diabetes, supporting better blood sugar control. Together, these effects highlight broccoli's potential to support both heart health and metabolic balance over the long term. 5. Brain protection and cognitive support. Sulforaphane's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties extend to the brain, where it may help protect neurons from damage and support cognitive function. Early clinical studies have shown promising results in conditions like autism spectrum disorder, and animal studies suggest benefits in Alzheimer's and Parkinson's models. 6. Eye health. Broccoli contains the carotenoids lutein and zeaxanthin, which concentrate in the macula of the eye and help filter harmful blue light, reducing oxidative damage that can lead to age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Including broccoli regularly in your meals can be a simple yet effective way to help preserve healthy vision as you age. 7. Hormone balance. Indole 3-carbinol, I3C, found in broccoli, helps shift estrogen metabolism toward more protective forms. This may support hormone balance in both men and women, and has been studied for its potential to reduce risk factors for hormone-related cancers, including breast and prostate cancer. 8. Anti-inflammatory support. Compounds like camphorol and sulforaphane modulate inflammatory pathways, potentially reducing markers like NF-kappa B activity and lowering systemic inflammation. This may support joint health and overall immune balance. By now, you understand what a powerhouse sulforaphane is, but here's the fascinating part. Broccoli doesn't actually contain sulforaphane until you help make it. Inside raw broccoli, 2 key ingredients are kept apart: glucoraphanin, the sulforaphane precursor, and myrosinase, the enzyme that activates it. They're stored in separate compartments inside the plant's cells. When you chop, chew, or crush it, the cell walls break, allowing glucoraphanin and myrosinase to meet. That's when the magic happens. The enzyme transforms glucoraphanin into sulforaphane. This reaction is quick and is the reason why eating broccoli raw or lightly cooked preserves so much of its benefit. The problem is, cooking broccoli for too long or even freezing it destroys the myrosinase. The good news? The glucoraphanin is still there. All you need is to eat broccoli with another source of myrosinase, such as raw cruciferous veggies like radish, arugula, cabbage, or even ground mustard seeds, to kickstart the reaction again and produce the sulforaphane. So every time you chop, chew, or pair your broccoli with these enzyme-rich foods, you're not just eating, you're activating one of nature's most potent health compounds. Now let's see ways you can easily incorporate broccoli into your diet. Lightly steam broccoli for 3 to 4 minutes or less to preserve myrosinase and maximize sulforaphane formation. Include both florets and stems since the stems are rich in glucoraphanin. Remember, if you're using frozen broccoli or you overcook it, be sure to pair it with a raw cruciferous vegetable to get its full benefits. Pair broccoli with healthy fats like olive oil to improve absorption of its fat-soluble antioxidants. Add it to classic dishes like stir-fries, roasted vegetable medleys, or creamy broccoli soups. In Italian cuisine, it's often sautéed with garlic and olive oil as a simple side dish, while in Chinese cooking, it's stir-fried with a savory sauce. Broccoli also shines in veggie burgers, omelets, grain bowls, raw salads, casseroles, and even oven-roasted with spices for a crispy, caramelized finish. Blend lightly steamed broccoli into green smoothies with mixed fruits for a nutrient-packed boost. Pulse broccoli florets in a food processor to create broccoli rice for a grain-free base in bowls or stir-fries. Last but not least, do not overlook broccoli sprouts. These young seedlings can contain up to 20 to 100 times more glucoraphanin than mature broccoli, making them one of the most concentrated natural sources of sulforaphane precursors. Buy them already sprouted or get some seeds and sprout them at home. Add them raw to salads, sandwiches, or smoothies for a powerful nutritional boost. And for those who can't consume enough broccoli regularly, sulforaphane-rich supplements made from broccoli sprout extract are available, though whole food sources should remain your foundation. Broccoli is more than just a side for dinner. It's a remarkable, nutrient-packed defender of your health, working at the cellular level to protect, restore, and strengthen your body. And that's why this side dish deserves to be at the very center of your plate instead. Every meal is an opportunity. Hidden in familiar flavors are compounds capable of transforming our health. They remind us that vitality and longevity can be nurtured daily through the foods we choose, serving as powerful, everyday medicine for the body and mind. Let's keep uncovering what else is hiding in plain sight. After all, health is wealth, and every bite is an investment in yourself.